Hey mate. Okay, so to extract the data per day, there's a couple ways you can do it. Probably the easiest way is so if you just want PW, for example, you can either just go up to campaign name and search, and then I'll just put in, just filter out only the ones that we want. So for example, if we're just doing that, obviously look over the time period you want. So if you want the last week or month, day, whatever it is. So I'll just do lifetime for the whole time. You get a breakdown here, and you can go to day. So that'll split out each of the campaigns that we've got running for all of them by how much per day. Now it's going to split it out at a campaign level as well. So if you wanted them all combined, you might be able to do that when you export. But once you set those breakdowns, the time you want, and the filter out the campaigns you want, you can just go here to reports, export data table, and I do CSV. It's probably the easiest format if you want to manipulate the data and turn it into a pivot table or something. So I'll just export that. Okay, cool. So then you'll get spreadsheet, CSV file. I'm on a Mac, so mine I don't have Excel, which is a bit annoying, but it'll split it out like this. So I guess then to kind of play around with it however you like. So then, or if you want to, yeah, actually supporting starts and ends. Then that'll give you a day value. But yeah, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can play around with it there. If that's what you're not after, something different, let me know, and I can shoot it through to you. But I'll send this file through to you now anyway. Thanks, mate.